Well, let me just say it is wonderful to welcome back Prime Minister Sharif and his delegation to the Oval Office. Obviously, the United States and Pakistan have a long-standing relationship, work and cooperate on a whole host of issues, not just on security matters, but also on economic and scientific and educational affairs. And we're looking forward to using this meeting as an opportunity to further deepen the relationship between the United States and Pakistan. I should note that we have an extraordinary Pakistani-American community that is helping to build this country, and that those people-to-people ties are part of what makes this relationship so special. So, Mr. Prime Minister, thank you for coming, and welcome to you and your delegation.
Thank you, Mr. President, for inviting me to Washington once again, and also thank you for the generous hospitality you extended to me and the members of my delegation. The Pakistan-America relations span over 70 years, and it is my endeavor to further strengthen and solidify this relationship. And I look forward to a very constructive engagement with you today to add greater substance and depth to our relationship, as you very rightly mentioned. So thank you for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.